Every single morning felt the same. The alarm goes off. You hit snooze once, twice, maybe 5 times. You drag yourself out of bed, chug coffee like your life depends on it, and still feel like a zombie walking through fog. Bloated, exhausted, craving sugar by 10 a.m. Sound familiar? That was me 2 weeks ago, until I discovered something stupidly simple. What if I told you one fruit, just one, eaten every single morning could completely transform how you feel? Not some expensive supplement, not a crazy diet, not a workout program. A green apple. I know, it sounds ridiculous, right? An apple? Really? But here's the thing. The science behind this is actually mind-blowing. So I made a decision. 14 days, one green apple every single morning. And what happened, I did not expect. Before I started, I did my research. Green apples aren't just apples, they're nutritional powerhouses. High fiber, about 5 grams per apple. Low glycemic index, so no blood sugar spikes. Packed with vitamin C, potassium, and something called malic acid. Malic acid, remember that name. It's the compound that gives green apples that sour, tangy bite, and it plays a huge role in energy production at the cellular level. Multiple studies show green apples can improve digestion, reduce bloating, boost metabolism, and even clear your skin. But studies are just words on paper. I needed to feel it myself. Day 1! 6:45 a.m. Alarm goes off. But this time, before the coffee, before the phone, before anything. That first bite. Sour, crunchy, almost painfully tart. And honestly, it woke me up faster than any espresso ever did. Something about that acidic punch, it was like a slap to my taste buds saying, "Wake up, we're doing this." The experiment had officially begun. Day 2, nothing. Day 3, still nothing. Day 4, day 5, I'm staring at myself in the mirror thinking, what am I even doing? Everyone around me is eating croissants and sugary cereal, and here I am crunching on a sour apple like some kind of health experiment gone wrong. Maybe this was stupid. Maybe apples are just apples. The doubt was creeping in. But I made a promise. 14 days. No quitting. Then, day 6 happened. I woke up before my alarm. Wait, what? That never happens. I'm the person who needs 3 alarms just to function. And my stomach, you know that heavy, bloated feeling you wake up with? Gone. Day 7, I actually had energy at 3 p.m. No afternoon crash, no desperate coffee run. Something was shifting. The apple was working, but I wasn't prepared for what came next. Day 8. Bad day. Work was chaos, stress through the roof, and someone brought fresh pizza to the office. And there I was, holding my green apple, watching everyone else enjoy melted cheese and carbs. I wanted to quit. Honestly, I almost did. What's the point? I thought. It's just an apple. It's not going to change my life. Day 9 was harder. The initial excitement was gone. The results felt small. This was the breaking point. Day 10. I looked in the mirror and... wait, my skin. My skin was clearer? The redness around my cheeks reduced, the puffiness under my eyes gone. I stepped on the scale, down 2 pounds, not water weight, actual sustainable loss. And that's when it hit me. This wasn't about the apple. It was about what the apple replaced. Every morning I ate an apple, I didn't reach for sugary cereal. I didn't grab a pastry. I started my day with fiber, vitamins, and intention. The apple wasn't magic. It was a keystone habit. And it was changing everything. Days 11, 12, 13, 14, it was like a domino effect. Better mornings led to better food choices at lunch. More energy meant actually wanting to exercise. By day 14, here's what I noticed. 1. Bloating? Completely gone. The fiber reset my entire digestive system. 2. Energy levels? Stable. No crashes, no 3 p.m. coma. 3. Skin clarity? Noticeably improved. That vitamin C was doing its job. 4. Cravings? I didn't want sugar anymore. My taste buds had recalibrated. And 5. I actually looked forward to mornings for the first time in years. Day 14. The final apple. I sat by the window, sunrise coming through, and I didn't rush it. 2 weeks ago, I was exhausted, bloated, and running on caffeine and desperation. Now, I felt like a different person. And all it took was one sour, crunchy green apple every single day. The experiment was over, but honestly, I didn't want to stop. It's been a month now, and guess what? The green apple is still there every single morning. But it's not about the apple anymore, not really. It's about what it represents, a small, intentional choice that cascades into 100 better decisions. I sleep better, I eat better, I feel better. One fruit, 14 days, a completely transformed relationship with my own body. If someone told me 2 weeks could change this much, I wouldn't have believed them. But here I am, living proof. So here's my challenge to you. 14 days, one green apple every morning before anything else. 14 days, one green apple every morning before anything else. It costs almost nothing, takes 2 minutes, and the results, they might just shock you. I'm not saying it's magic. I'm saying it's a catalyst, a trigger for change. Drop a comment right now. Apple challenge accepted. Let me know you're in. I want to hear your results in 2 weeks. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'm documenting everything I learn about simple health hacks that actually work. One apple, one choice, one completely different life. See you tomorrow morning. Crunch.